Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video of the Zippo hand warmer. Never seen anybody do an unboxing except reviews, so here's an unboxing of it. Camping, fishing, hunting, skiing, snowmobiling. As you can see, it's very shiny. You can see my iPod and I'm videotaping it on. Very thin. No flames, extra warmth. Environment friendly, reusable, except for the burning part. Convenient size hand warmer. Hand warmer bag. Fuel. Okay, let's unbox this. Hold on, guys. Let's see what we have inside. We got a hand warmer. It's very light. It's lighter than I thought. Very shiny. I'll get to that in a moment. Fuel. Gasoline cup. Poured in. At least the hand warmer bag. When you open this up, you'll find this. To ignite it, you have to put your lighter in there. Then I opened it. As you can see, it's just the same thing what you would find in the lighter, Zippo lighter. It's like that little foam thing. Then I would put that back. Yeah. Okay. There's a little indicator right here. As you can see, right there. It's like an indicator to like put it right on there like that. So yeah, an indicator. And, please subscribe or comment, rate, please. Okay. Now what I'm about to do is put a little side there. This is really big, but it's like the size of my hand. It's very soft pouch. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and please rate or comment. Bye.